Hari ni I akan buat full face makeup from SASA. I akan prime my face. This time tak guna primer. Kita try something new. This is Cyber Colors CC Cushion. It looks a bit like color corrector. Tonya and just letak all over my face to prime my face. Oh my god, I need my mirror. So ni extreme cover ni Pupa foundation ni. I think it's a bit darker untuk I, tapi we're just gonna try it anyway. Quite dark untuk kulit I. Oh my god. Oh my god. I pakai macam sikit je. Oh my god. Sikit pun dah cover semua benda dah. Oh my god, this is magic. Yeah, I need to get the right shade lepas ni. And then kita pakai concealer. I have two concealers. Ada 02 and 01. I think I'm gonna use the 01. Since my foundation is already a bit dark, so kita go for something lighter, okay? And blend it. Kenapa tak compare dengan ni? Dia macam mencerahkan lagi bawah mata kita, okay? If you punya foundation is a bit dark, a shade darker than you still will pakai, just that you letak concealer yang much lighter kat at the center of your face, so nampak muka you tak as dark, faham tak? I letak sini, kat hidung I, and buat ni, brighten up the face. And seterusnya, I nak set muka I. Okay, ni Cyber Colors Anti-Shine Prime Pack. Ni macam ni. It's white. I'm always wearing seluar tidur, okay? And the same one pula tu. Gosok. And then, just dab it dekat bawah mata I. I nak set the under eye. Oh my god, smoothnya mata I. Kenapa pakai powder ni? Letak all of my face. So, dia tak sticky bila kita letak con. I ada dua ni with me. Ni Gosh. And this is medium. And this is light. Ambil kita punya hook brush tu. Kita ambil color ni. Oh, okay. This is my color. So, sekarang kita nak make sure kita punya con very defined. Macam hook like this, okay? But then again, muka I bulat. So, macam let's be realistic, okay? No matter how I conquer my face is gonna look round regardless. Mari kita jangan expect too much, okay? I'm gonna take this ni, yang medium. Letak dekat pipi I. I just lightly letak je. Oh my god, I'm so panas. I'm sweating. We're gonna highlight the face. You know what? I nak add a little bit more pink sikit je kat pipi I. So I'm gonna take this here. Ni apa ni? Color Combos Multi Blush in Spring Garden. Dia macam banyak color sini. I fokus kat sini. Sudah. Love this. This is from Pupa Contouring and Strobing. Ready for selfie. Powder palette. Oh, panjang nak mampus rambut. I ambil this color here. This is the only highlighter dalam palette ni. The shiny. The shiny. Oh my god. Kita lupa kawan-kawan hidung. How can I forget the most important step? Okay. The halal nose job. Mari kita inject hidung, kasih urus. Sweating. Kita nak highlight our hidung juga. And then buat dot kat sini. Spray my face. Can you see my face? Mwah. So I guna ni apa ni, buat brand this Cyber Colors 3-in-1 eyebrow pen. Dia macam ni. You can open this and then yang ni yang pencil. Brush like that. Okay, make sure everything is in place. Once dah ada bentuk yang you nak, and then what I'm gonna do is I akan lukis dengan ni. I akan macam ni, I tarik dia. Dari bawah ni I tarik dia ke atas. Just light strokes je. And then you lukis bawah dia. You make a straight line with that. Okay, so today's look basically ni kita nak buat natural eyebrow tau. Kita make another straight line ke atas. Dan cantum dekat hujung tu. You go over dalam dia, you tarik sikit dia. Tarik. Make sure you buat macam ada bulu kat empty spaces tu, okay? Okay, and then if you perasan, I punya ni tak ada bulu kat. So, we're gonna lukis bulu di situ. Tarik. Kita brushkan dia. So, I'm gonna do this eye here. And I'll be right back.
2 very boring minutes later.
Look at my cute kitty cat. For today's eye look, I nak do something different. I nak buat betul like editorial. I tengok Kylie Jenner punya tutorial like few days ago. Dia buat pink kat sini tau. Pink. But I nak letak gold sini. So let's do that. Okay, let's do that. I pakai this primer from Pupa. So Pupa is my favorite brand in SASA. First of all, this is the balm oil again. Letak this colour here. Arrested. Okay. Okay, usually kan kita buat crease kat sini kan. But not today, sis. Kita akan do reverse eye makeup where kita fokus sini je. Sini macam tak ada apa-apa, okay? Oh my god, you know what? Let's zoom lagi. Come closer to me, baby. I'm gonna use this colour here. Kat sini. Okay, sini and I keluarkan dia. I nak create a shadow kat sini. And just blend it. I'm gonna use like this colour here kat sini. I stamp kat sini je. This colour here yang ni. Nampak dia macam dah ni. And then kita akan spray to make it wet so dia terang. And then kita letak dekat inner corner tu. Okay, so jangan blend. I memang nak nampak macam serdak dah, macam powdery. And then dekat outer layer, ni bawah mata under eye outer apa tah ni, we get the same brown colour here and connect dekat tengah tu. Make sure dia bercantum and blend it nicely. Okay, ni eyeliner apa ni? Gosh is an eyeliner, black eyeliner. And then we're gonna line the color, line apa? Bawah mata sini. That's a really small thin eyeliner. Kita zoom out, okay? Ada dua mascara. One is from Sasatinnie. I tak tahu how to pronounce. I'm sorry, Sasatinnie. And this is from Gosh. This Sasatinnie tu, yang ni tak kelampi langsung. Oh my god, I like this mascara. Gosh ni, I akan pakai dekat bawah mata I. This is Kiss Me Matte Lips from Gosh. Kita try. You know what? I'm gonna search for another lipstick and pakai my lashes, my falsies, and pakai tudung betul-betul, and I tunjuk you the final look. Satna.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so this is the final look. I pakai a darker lipstick, bukan darker lah, like more nude brown, and I pakai my falsies. I really like this look sebab it's different. Selalunya I macam tak ada effort kan, but this time I ada effort in my eyeshadows, okay? Eye makeup I ada effort kali ni, alhamdulillah. I really like the eye. Tengok mata I. Cantik tak mata I? Cantik kan mata I? So if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me dekat IG story. Oh my god, look at the eye look. Cantik. Recommendations. I am so impressed with this extreme cover foundation, high coverage foundation from Pupa. I am so impressed. You nampak kan pakai sikit gila kan, but dia cover like, dia nampak, it covers everything. It's so good. I'm so impressed. I'm gonna get the right shade for me. Lepas ni I'm gonna buy a shade lighter. Ni yang Cyber Colors 3-in-1 eyebrow pen. I love that it's so easy untuk lukis eyebrow eye and senang guna, senang nak blend, senang, it looks natural. Dia tak macam pekat sangat, dia macam dia nampak nice, okay? Nampak? Look at it. Ni macam, this is perfect for like natural eyebrow. Kalau korang tak nak eyebrow macam pakai marker Sharpie tu, give this a try. Maybe you love this. Nampak ni? It looks very natural. And then next is pakai kon-kon ni tadi. I pakai from Gosh. You have like 2 kon-kon shade, 1 blusher and 1 highlighter. The kon-kon powder is very easy to blend. Dia tak nampak patchy, tak nampak muddy, tak nampak macam like kelabu tau. And then next, what else do I like? Oh my god, I love this palette. This is from Pupa Hot Flame punya palette. Love this. Oh my god, this color, but this gold is everything. Okay, this gold is everything. I tak tahu macam mana nak suruh korang subscribe dekat I dah. I dah penat. I akan suruh kucing I suruh you subscribe kat I, okay? Baby kata apa? Bisik. Baby kata apa? Oh, baby kata subscribe dekat Kak Nisha. Subscribe dekat channel Kak Nisha sekarang juga sebelum baby cakap. Nak kena cakap dengan baby ke? Nak kena cakap dengan baby ke? Kalau tak nak cakap dengan baby, saya berdarah. Subscribe to channel Kak Nisha, okay? Betul tak baby? Okay, baby kata korang kena subscribe. Kalau tak subscribe, baby akan cakap baby akan makan segala makanan dekat dapur korang. So korang lapar, korang tak makan apa-apa. So kalau tak nak baby kacau hidup korang and kena cakap sama darah, please subscribe to Kak Nisha. Kan baby cute cutie pie. Please subscribe if you sayang kucing. If you suka kucing, please subscribe. If you pencinta kucing, please subscribe, okay? Please. Okay. Bye-bye. See you in my next. Oh my god. Bulu kucing. Bulu kucing. Baby, bulu you berterabur. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you so much.